Hey, what's up, YouTube family? It's Ron here from BC Garage. And today we're going to do something that I've been wanting to do for a while. The Mustang has these wheels on here. I think I've had them on there since maybe 2015, 14. I don't know. It's been a minute. They were black when I originally bought them. Then back in 2016, around the fall time, I had them powder coated white by Vibrant Finish. They're the guys to go to for your powder coat needs if you're in the Philadelphia area or anywhere near. I am starting to get the itch for something different regarding the wheels. I would like to change the color of the car, so a wrap or some type of dip. You know, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I love the black, but the black is killing me to keep clean. I haven't spoke about this yet, but I did recently receive a full sponsorship. Now, yes, I guess it's full. It's a full sponsorship if they give you products and you don't have to pay anything for them. It is a sponsorship from McGuire's, and it's awesome. The stuff they provide for me is stuff that I use. It's not like one of these companies where they're sending it out and this is the first time using it. I use their stuff. You look at my shelf over here, which is somewhere back. Where, I don't know, or over there. You'll see I got a whole section just for my detailing stuff, and it's all McGuire stuff. That's all I use. So they sent me out tons and tons of stuff to use. I didn't even go through all of the boxes yet. Here, there's at least 6 boxes there, and it's just full of all of my detailing stuff. The ultimate detailers, the wax, the compounds, the polishes, even things I didn't even know they sold. I'm using their tire shines, waterless car wash, their microfiber towels and mitts. So I'm really happy to be working with McGuire's, and ultimately I wish that sometime this year maybe I could be one of their cars in their booths at one of these events, maybe at Carlisle, Ford Nationals, or if they have anything else going on. But you never know. We'll see. But I'm really happy and excited, because I haven't done any sponsorships with this build at all. I said no freebies, no handouts. Did everything myself. So that's all I ever wanted, was a detailing place. Because that's, you know, I go through a lot of detailing product, and people always ask me, Ron, what do you use to keep your cars clean? And I always promote it. I'm like, look, this is exactly what I use. I do it. I'm not a detailer. I'm just a guy in my own garage, and you know, I went on YouTube. I looked up videos on what to do, and that's what I do, and it works. My car looks pretty damn good. I think any professional detailer would say they can find some flaws, but for a home do-it-yourselfer, and this is mostly Ford paint. I mean, the only things that have been painted is the hood, the bumpers, and the side skirts, but the rest, I mean, that stuff, that's 6-year-old Ford paint, and it looks like glass still. Anyway, just wanted to give a shout out to McGuire's. You guys rock. Thanks for hooking the brother up. For today, one of the things I was getting at was the wheels. I do want to change the look of the wheels, and I might powder coat them a different color, but I am really starting to like the style of wheel that's on my Infiniti. I took them off for the winter. They're sitting on the other side of the car over there, and I love them. I love that step lip with the multi-spoke look. I don't know how this car will look with them, but one of the great things about having this car and having the Infiniti is that they share the same bolt pattern, 5x4.5. The Infiniti wheels are 20x10s squared. This car has 20x10 in the back, 20x9 in the front. So, and they run a little, like a 6mm spacer in the front to clear the calipers. I've been wanting to try to put those wheels on here to see how it will look. At least give me an idea. I have them there, so why not just try them on and see how it looks? So, let's do it. Yeah, here are the wheels. They are wedged in here, and I gotta try to squeeze these things out through the side here. All right, got the wheels out. Wasn't as bad as I thought. Took them out from around the back. Managed not to scratch the car up any. So now we gotta do is get this car, get it lifted up so I can get a jack up underneath it. And let's get to swapping these wheels. Let's go up to full ride height. Up. Low tank pressure, usually around 100 psi per corner, gets me up to about maximum height. So, taking these on and off without scratching these inner lug areas, that's very important to me. I'm telling you, I'm OCD. All right, one wheel's off. Now I gotta take off the other wheel. All right, those brakes are pretty darn big, but I'm wondering, how hard is it to put the 15 to 18 rotors and brakes on? Is that like a bolt on? Anybody know? Let me know, because I like the bigger ones. Doesn't work out. Doesn't quite work out. The backs work out, but the front, look at this. The offsets are wrong, and those finicky calipers, even though I was able to get away with putting a little 6mm spacer on for my white Rohanas, I would need like a 1/2 inch spacer at least to clear the brake rotor. But so that wheel won't work. The back wheel does work. I'll put the regular front wheel back on and drop the car to see how it looks. Maybe I'll pull it out if I can do that. So I'll do that. Man, that looks all right. I don't know. What do we... Sorry, guys. What do we think about that? That is definitely a different look for this car. I don't know. I'm kind of liking that. Too bad the front wheel didn't fit, but... look at the fitment. I mean, I'm not one to be all about the fitment life, but man, that's pretty good. That's like damn near flush. I like the sits over the tire well. That looks good. I wish I could get the specs for the front, but I don't know. Might be something we end up doing if I can find the right wheel. Somebody knows what specs I need for the front, please put it down in the description. This is 20x10 with a +40 offset for the rear, and I don't know what I need in the front because it's demolishing the brake caliper. I would need like a 1/2 inch spacer to push it out. I would love to run a 20x10 in the front. If you run a 20x10, let me know what you run, what your specs are. Don't be all stingy with your specs. Let's share. Alright, so that's it for now. Peace out.